And so let's continue Science Form 4 Chapter 2 Part 5. Okay, number 3, list of apparatus and material, 1 mark. Okay, so how to analyze the apparatus material from this experiment? So okay, list of apparatus and material, how to answer. The way to answer is like this, huh? Okay, load of 50 gram, 100 gram and 150 gram. So these are the answer of the list of apparatus material. Actually in the diagram they didn't show about the like this 50 gram, 100 gram, they didn't show off. But this one you need to think yourself, so we will get the answer. But the diagram didn't show detailing, so you need to think before you answer the question. Okay, let's go to the next part. 4th, procedure or method. Okay, how to answer procedure or method? Okay, before you want to answer the procedure or method, you need to look at the diagram first. So what are the diagrams show? So you need to write as a step. Okay, you need to remember procedure means steps. This that I have explained on video before on the videos. Previous video I have explained what is mean procedure. So it means steps. Okay, you need to remember about the steps. Okay, so you need to look at the diagram first, then you can answer. Okay, the first thing you want to answer is like this. A student is blindfolded. This time I have told you she's in blindfolded. So don't say a girl is blindfolded. You need to tell as a student. Okay, you need to tell a student is blindfolded by using a black scarf. Okay, a student is blindfolded by using a black scarf. So these are the step number 1. Okay, doesn't matter, you can say to write only black scarf. You can write you can say brown scarf, pink scarf, anything you can describe. But you need to know that if you the way is like this, doesn't matter what scarf you have. So you need to know how to way to answer. Okay, these are the way to answer. You cannot say a girl is blindfolded. No, you need to tell a student, because they didn't say a girl in this diagram. They only gave a diagram. She says a box 1 is heavier than box 2. So that's all she have given the detail. So you need to know. Okay, so the way to answer it, the step 1 is like this. Doesn't matter it's a black scarf or another white scarf or anything. So the way it should be like this. Okay, so let's go to step number 2, shall we? Okay, number 2, the 3 loads. Okay, just now they have shown the 3 loads on the diagram. Did you notice? Just now they have shown the 3 loads on the caution. So they take from the caution just now. The 3 loads are placed randomly on a table. Okay, so 3 loads are placed randomly on a table. So you need to know. Okay, so they taken from the caution. The caution is now. They ask you to taken about the 1A. This time, did you notice by using 3 loads? So they taken from the word 3 loads. So you need to, You can use from the question doesn't matter, but you need to answer the way like this. The 3 loads are placed randomly on the table. Okay, use the word randomly. If we use this word randomly, definitely got 1 mark. Really. So when you use the word specific, you definitely got better mark also. You get 1 mark here. So use the word randomly, you definitely got the mark. So the way to answer like this, the 3 rows are placed on a table. Okay, you need to write like this. Okay, this why you need to think yourself, then really you can answer like this. So this one they didn't give is the 3 loads on the table, so you need to think further how the steps we form this experiment. Okay, let's go to step number 3. Okay, step number 3. Step number 3. The blindfolded student is asked to arrange the loads in ascending order of mass. Full stop. Okay. Okay, the step 3 is like this. The blindfolded student is asked to arrange the loads in ascending order of mass. So these are the way to answer. Okay, you need to describe a person who in the diagram. Who are the person in this diagram? So you need to remember. So before you want to answer step 3, you need to remember. Okay, first, who is the involved in this experiment? The blindfolded student. So let's write is asked to arrange the loads in ascending order of mass. So it's really simple to answer the question. So the way is like this. You need to answer the way like this. Okay, so if this is really simple to answer, if you answer like this way, you definitely got 1 mark. So the way is like this. The way to answer is like this. Okay, let's go to step number 4. Okay, step number 4. The observation is recorded. The observation is recorded. Okay, step number 4. Okay, the step number 5 is the experiment. The experiment is repeated 3 times. So these are step 4 and step 5. The observation is recorded and the experiment is repeat 3 times. The experiment is repeated 3 times. So these are the way to answer. Okay, to answer. So you need to know how to answer. So you can use this step, but the observation is recorded. So you can say. Okay, you can add another one. The observation is recorded from this experiment also can. You can write like this also can. You get 1 mark too. Also, because the observation record is not much detail. But if you write like this, the observation is recorded from this experiment is like a detail. So it's much detail. So the step 5, the experiment is repeated 3 times. So it's really simple to answer. Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay, this is number 4, number 5, data presentation. Okay, did you heard this word, isn't it? The data presentation. student, I guess student doesn't heard this word presentation, but they heard the word mostly on tabulation or data, isn't it? Okay, mostly they heard tabulation of data, but doesn't. Sometimes the question is quite difficult. They make you difficult. So you need to remember, data presentation means tabulation. I'm sorry. Okay, data presentation, not tabulation of data. Okay, data presentation means they asking about the loads. Okay, so this one is quite difficult for you. They didn't ask this one is for student. They didn't ask this question, but you need to study about this. The way to answer is like this. The loads are arranged in ascending order of mass. Full stop. So these are the answer, the way to answer. Data presentation means the load are arranged in ascending order of mass. These are the answer, the way to answer. Okay, don't be complicated. Don't think the data presentation is not tabulation of data. Sometimes it quite make you complicated. So the way data presentation means, these are the answer. The way is like this. Load is arranged in ascending order of mass. That's all. They're asking about the data about this. Okay. So that you need to know. Okay, what is mean data presentation. Okay. Okay, I guess that's all from me. I hope you will understand. I hope students will understand about this essay question. So it will helpful from your exam also. It will helpful for Form 4 student and Form 5 student. Form 5 student, it will helpful for you. So sometimes the question will make you complicated. So you need to do some revision. It will help for you. Okay, so you need to remember the data presentation didn't come for exam. So maybe in my tips, it will come for your SPM also. Or for the Form 4 student, you need to do more like about the data presentation. So that's all from me. Thank you.